Yo, what is going on YouTube? Just a super quick tutorial today to show you how to get Chara in Jujutsu Shenanigans. This is the easiest method, guys, using a working Jujutsu Shenanigans code that you can apply right now. And it's not only going to get you the Chara character, it's going to get you all characters unlocked for free. Guys, this takes just a few minutes, so make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel because I am going to be creating many more tutorials in the near future. So let's not waste any more time. Let's show you guys how to unlock Chara in Jujutsu Shenanigans for free, and this takes just a few minutes. So what you're going to want to do, guys, is just use your mobile phone internet browser because you need to get your code to redeem in the game. So use your mobile to get your code and then you can enter it wherever you play. So head on over to this website, www.coldcoupons.com. So you just got to type it like this into your mobile phone, guys. And Cold Coupons is a game code website. They don't only have Roblox games, they have probably 1,000 pages or more. So what you're going to want to do, guys, is use the search bar and search for the Jujutsu Shenanigans codes page. There is only one verified working code here, but this is the code that's going to get you Chara. So this is going to get all characters unlocked in Jujutsu Shenanigans, guys, and that includes all of the brand new ones, including the new Chara one. So just go ahead and do what I'm doing here. So you've got to unlock your code. So it's going to find you a Jujutsu Shenanigans code to unlock all characters, and you can enter it in game. So basically, guys, what you need to do is unlock and reveal your full code. The code is hidden because these are limited, and of course these are pretty desirable considering what they give you. This is going to unlock all characters. So click on this button here. Now it takes a few minutes to go ahead and get your Jujutsu Shenanigans code, so let's just wait for the internet to load up. There you go. So it says here, complete 2 tasks to unlock your code from Cold Coupons and follow the instructions. So basically, guys, you're going to have a list of tasks on this page. You need to complete 2 of them. They're completely free and they're really easy things. You just got to make sure you do follow the instructions for the 2 tasks that you choose. These are like mobile applications and playing games and stuff, so just follow the instructions for each of the tasks. Complete 2 of them and it will redirect you back to Cold Coupons, and your Jujutsu Shenanigans code for all the characters will be revealed. And that is how to get Chara in JJS or Jujutsu Shenanigans, guys. So super easy. It takes just a few minutes. You've got to head on over to Cold Coupons, grab your code, guys, make sure you follow the steps, and that is how to get Chara. So hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.